safety device, liquid courage.
Grab your hook.
This is fire retardant.
Grab your
That's your
hook.
last one you're having today.
Oh yeah, where's my hook?
What do you do with the hook?
I don't know. Ah.
Don't.
Yeah!
Let's get the fat man out of here.
Everybody stay way back.
Except me.
Macho Man.
We want to take
Slowly.
the thermostat out though?
That probably would be a good idea.
Not sizzling as much.
Slowly. Slowly.
Oh yeah!
Go back up for a second. Go back down.
Woo!
In and out. Alright, there you go. Go ahead.
What happens if you have no upper body strength?
Woo! It's sizzling.
Oh yeah, that's where the bubbling goes.
Man, that's a big mess.
Boy, you people down south here are kind of
Cheapskate.
no. How did you come up with this?
I'll eat just
We're
about
deep
anything
fried
deep fried.
anything, and we deep fry everything. Chocolate bars. Yeah, chocolate bars.
Keep
That
putting it
actually
down.
sounds good.
Keep putting it down. You're gonna
I
cook.
am putting it down. You're stupid. You're ugly. You better taste good.
Oh, a little bit too much. A little slow. Remember I told you slow. It's like it's really cold water. You're trying to get in there and really slow.
It's like it's turkey going dead.
I think we filled it too much.
Probably. I mean, you have to think how much the turkey is, how big it is. Otherwise, the water would just rise.
It's going to go down in a minute.
Sorry about your deck, honey. My
Oh,
shoe.
sure, now say it.
Will you go get the box in the alcove, please, Sabrina?
Hey, where are the boxes?
By the stairs.
Uh-oh, maybe not.
Look at that. As if I was doing it my entire life. Wait, in and out. That's pretty easy.
I think you're an expert
It's
on that,
already
Bonnie.
done. I can see it's brown.
You're going to put it down. You'll be alright.
You sure? You want me to unhook it or leave it hooked?
Just put it down and then leave it hooked for a minute.
Leave it hooked? Okay.
You're just going to... It's coming around a lot.
Yeah.
Don't see him.
Maybe you screwed up. Don't put the lid on?